Hello guys, I'm back with another video on FMG question, and today I am going to discuss the acid-base disorders. My name is Abrabatan, so let's begin. Arterial blood gas is performed and reveals pH 7.2, PaCO2 68 mm of Hg, serum bicarbonate 26 millimoles per liter. Diagnosis. So you have to guess the diagnosis. Is it respiratory acidosis partially compensated, respiratory acidosis fully compensated, metabolic acidosis with respiratory acidosis, or respiratory acidosis uncompensated? So pause and try to answer the question. Guys, just don't worry about the question. Please focus on this slide. Then please learn the normal values of the pH, PaCO2, and the bicarbonate levels. pH lies in between 7.35 to 7.45. PaCO2 lies between 35 to 45 mm of Hg, and HCO3 it lies between 22 to 26 mmol per liter. Okay. Now, whenever there is whenever the pH it comes down from 7.35, we call it acidosis. Okay. And whenever it increases from the cells from the 7.45, then we call it alkalosis. Okay. Or basic. Okay. Now I will jump on to the bicarbonate level. So bicarbonate level, when the bicarbonate level decreases from 20 from 20, 22, we call it acidosis. And when the bicarbonate level increases by 26, then we call it as alkalosis. Okay. And now coming to the partial pressure of CO2. So when the partial pressure of CO2 increases over 45, we call it acidosis. Okay. It is opposite of the pH and or bicarbonate level. Okay. Please remember this thing. Okay. And when the partial pressure of CO2 it decreases from 35, we call it alkalosis. Okay. So please remember this thing. And now let us try to solve the question. A 55-year-old patient with a history of diabetes mellitus and chronic kidney disease presents to ER, emergency department, with confusion and lethargy. Arterial blood gas analysis reveals the following values. pH is 7.25, PCO2 is 30 mmHg, and HCO3 minus is 18 milliequal per liter. Okay. So guys, recall that the pH normal is between 7.35 to 7.45. Okay. Now this pH it falls under the acidotic pH. That is pH which is less than 7.35. Okay. So this comes under acid. Okay. And now coming to bicarbonate level. So bicarbonate level is also less. Actually, the normal value is between 22 to 26 milliequals per liter, but here it is 18, so it is less. So it falls under the acid category. Okay, and base. Now, PCO2 level it is less than 35. Okay, 35 to 45 is normal. When the PCO2 decreases by 35, we call it alkalosis. Okay, so this favors the base. So in this example we have got the metabolic acidosis with partial compensation. Okay, now what do I mean by the compensation? So compensation is basically the fact that the body is trying to cure this metabolic acidosis by its own. Okay, by see, in the diabetes there is always metabolic acidosis. Okay, so our body tries to bring the acid down by increasing the base. So in this case the base is carbon dioxide. Okay, so here the base, the concentration of CO2 it is decreased. Okay, so so whenever the concentration of CO2 is decreased, it is basic. Okay, Fine. So the answer is metabolic acidosis with partial compensation. Now I guess you can answer this question in arterial. Okay, so pH is 7.2. 7.2. What do I mean? 7.2 it is acidosis. Okay. Now pH it is 68. 68. Okay. So it is again acidosis. So by this we can confirm that it is the respiratory acidosis. Okay. And serum level of bicarbonate level is 26 millimole per liter. Okay. Now 22 to 26 is the normal. So this is not compensated. So our answer will be the respiratory acidosis with uncompensated. So option D is right. Okay, fine guys. Option D is right. And this type of question are very easy. You just have to learn the normal values and just try to correlate with the knowledge, and that's easy. So don't mistake. Bye.